tripped off. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Electric kettle, when connected to power, not heating up, not turning on. Let's see how to fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Take care for the safety. Set multimeter to resistance. Connect to both input terminals. Turn on, no indication. Continuity. One input terminal and one ring. Good. Connect to second one. Okay. That means the base connector is good. Problem here. Power on, resistance, outer two terminals, no indication. That means problem in the jug. Heating element good. Continuity. Outer ring giving continuity. Inner ring not giving continuity. The problem in this base connector. I use 732 nut driver. This is the damaged area. This thermal switch is damaged. Now I have this base connector. Let's connect it here. No continuity. This ring is giving continuity here, but this ring is not giving continuity. This ring is disconnected from this terminal. This was damaged one. I have new one here. Chassis ground, center pin, inner ring with this safety thermostat switch, good. Outer ring and this point. So this is good. Thermostat switch, good. Heating element, good. (38 ohm). Heating element, this circuit complete is good. Yes, now it is heating up. It is powered on. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.